Alright guys, welcome to Amazon Loves Me. Thanks for checking out the channel. What we're looking at right here is a 4K dash cam. It does the 180p. It is a front, rear. It's a triple car camera. Okay, it does include the 128 gigabit card. It supports up to 512 gigabits. It does have Wi-Fi, GPS, and touchscreen. So if you are in the market for a dash cam, which are becoming widely popular just due to the increased amount of traffic and giving you something to kind of go against if you are in an accident. So again, this might be something you want to look into. It does have the app, and it looks like it's a fairly small unit. Right now it's on sale for $254.99. Normally it's $399.99. So a bit of a discount if you're looking to get into the dash cam peripherals. Thank you for checking out Amazon Loves Me.